Pallet operates 7 pallet dismantlers on a daily basis. We have 5 here in Dover, Pennsylvania, and 2 in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. On average, we're dismantling approximately 3,000 pallets a day. From each of those pallets, we're able to reclaim approximately 10 components from the pallet, that recycled components that we're able to resaw and reuse in the manufacturing process at a later point. It's kind of a one-stop shop. We not only manufacture pallets, but the dismantlers allow us to bring pallets back from our customers and help them recycle with their recycling efforts. Instead of that stuff going in the landfill or to the incinerator, it comes back and we recycle those old pallets. Anything we can't dismantle ends up going to the grinder, or if it's a standard size pallet, we repair that pallet with our pallet repair department.